Usually when you apply for Singapore, there are two types of visas we can normally apply. If somebody wants to go as a tourist, he applies for a tourist visa, which is a simple, straightforward procedure. You probably get in 4 to 5 working days. But if you're applying as a student, then the steps are pretty stringent and they're pretty straightforward. The first thing the student should get an unconditional offer from the school or the university or the college. If the school is a public university, then the university arranges for your visa. The visa regulations are so straightforward and they are approved by the Immigration Checkpoint Authority called the ICA. Whenever a student gets an offer letter or when he actually applies to the university, he has to send certain papers which also includes the visa documents along with the financial backing of the sponsor. So the entire document is assessed not only by the admissions committee of the college but is also done by the immigration authorities. So once they are in conformity, then the college will send the papers to the immigration office. The immigration office will check the authenticity of the documents, will check whether the student has got into a right program, the student's credentials are quite strong, eligibility is completely met, the sponsor has the capability and the willingness to pay the money either through his savings and deposits or by an educational loan, and then they will give you a preliminary approval of your visa, based on which the college will release the document for you and an unconditional offer is being sent to the applicant. In case of the private colleges or universities, the methodology remains the same. But the point is, in case of public universities, it becomes more faster because they are government-run organizations. So due diligence is done right before the application is done. Whereas in private organizations, it takes a little more time in compliances. However, student cannot enter into Singapore for education unless he has a student contract signed and gets a student visa approved by the ICA.